Hello and welcome to our latest video. Today we will be comparing two top laser printers, the Brother Compact Monochrome Laser Printer and the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe. These printers are both great examples of laser printers on the market, and we will be comparing them in different categories so you can make an informed decision when purchasing your next laser printer. Before we start, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Both printers are similarly priced, with the Brother Compact Monochrome Laser Printer retailing at $149 and the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe at $148. It's a pretty close match, with the Brother costing $1 more, but they're basically the same price. When it comes to speed, the Brother Compact Monochrome Laser Printer has a class-leading speed of up to 32 pages per minute, whereas the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe can print up to 30 pages per minute single-sided and 19 pages per minute two-sided. So, if you need more power for bulk printing, the Brother printer is a better choice here. Both printers offer a 250-sheet paper capacity, which is great and will help improve efficiency with less refills. Also, they both handle letter or legal-sized paper, so there is no clear winner when it comes to paper capacity. Both printers offer flexible wireless printing options, which is great, but the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe offers a self-reset feature that automatically detects and resolves connectivity issues. So, if you want to have wireless printing that is easy to set up and use, the HP printer is a better choice here. When it comes to additional features, the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe has a clear advantage with its HP Plus Smart Printing System. It makes the printer smarter with advanced features for mobile printing, security, automatic updates, and more. This model also includes 6 months of free cartridges with a subscription service for instant ink delivery. So, if you want a printer with advanced security, ease of use, and cost savings, the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe is the better choice here. That's it for today's video. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision on your next laser printer purchase. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Bye for now and see you in the next one.